Hi, I'm Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad, and I need to get a haircut. Yeah, my hair is a little bit bushier than it should be right now, and it's time to get a haircut. The reason why I'm mentioning it, and the purpose for this video, is because, I just don't want to spend time getting a haircut. It's more than that than anything else. It's not even necessarily the money that you got to pay somebody to get a haircut. It's the time. To me, it's kind of like, I don't know, donating time away, and with a busy lifestyle, it's hard to do. Now, I don't need anything elaborate. In fact, it's really hard to kind of mess up my hair. I don't have much of it. But I do want to get something done just to kind of keep it under control. And right now with COVID going on, I'm not going to be out in public much, so it could just be, well, let's say a mediocre haircut right now. That'll do. Now, I have 3 kids, but my youngest daughter, Serafina, has been talking for a long time that she wants to be a beautician, and she really wants to cut my hair.
I want to cut Daddy's hair because I want to make him bald. So, let's get started.
It's kind of funny. In fact, I'm okay with it. I really am. I don't think you can mess up too much in my hair. In case you haven't noticed, I'm not exactly Fabio, and I think I'll be okay if she cuts my hair, and she seems to really be looking forward to it. I think it's going to give her a ton of enjoyment. So let's see how this goes.
Daddy, why you Daddy? Daddy, why you? Oh, hi, Daddy. Can I cut your hair today?
Serafina, what do you got?
Oh, I got some things for me to cut your hair. Would you like for me to cut your hair?
Well, want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Are you promised to do a good job?
Yeah.
Better than the last time?
Yeah.
Okay, well, if you promise to be careful, I don't think what could go wrong. Anything go wrong?
No. Let's cut.
All right. Yes.
It's actually, I cut all your hair off for you.
Make sure it's even. Do a good job.
What are you doing? That looks terrible.
Well, I cut Daddy's hair, okay? It's my second time doing it.
Serafina's cutting my hair. How does it look?
Terrible.
Terrible? Here, come on over. Here, can you give her a hand here then? This is how you turn it on, right here. Okay, now don't hurt me. Nice and smooth. Use 2 hands. Use your hands. Make it even. You, Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, it's that bad?
Yeah, that.
Or am I gonna have to go to a salon?
I'm needing Mommy's help.
I'm gonna need Mommy's help. Okay. All right, is he doing a better job, Serafina?
Yeah.
There.
That's better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good, thank you. I'll tell you what. You and your brother tried to help a lot, but now I'm gonna finish it up, okay? Just to make sure it's a little bit even.
Let me definitely need Mommy's
You
help.
need Mommy? Okay. I did the top too. I don't have much hair up there, but I got some hair.
Daddy, you have no hair.
Well, I don't have yeah, I guess you're right. I don't have any hair.
So that's why we didn't do it up there, because we didn't want your skin to fall off.
I got my skin to fall off too?
No, we didn't want your skin to fall, so we didn't want to do the top.
Okay.
Dad, you just cut off
Okay.
like your whole part of your hair.
I cut off the whole part of my hair?
You definitely gonna need a shower after this, right?
I think I will need a shower after this.
I really tried to do his hair, but it didn't turn out good. So Dad, do you wanna come here and show everybody? Oh, wow. Well, it really looks like I did make him bald, and it is terrible. So, I don't know what he should do now. I mean, I really tried, and I'm only 8 years old. So what do you expect from it?
Now it turns out an 8-year-old can cut your hair, just can't cut your hair really that well. And also a 9-year-old, my son Luca, gaming with Luca as his channel goes on YouTube. He wanted me to make sure that he was referred to as that. Couldn't help much either, but it doesn't really matter. I was able to even it out on my own, no harm, no foul. The message is you can have a lot of fun. Maybe it's during a pandemic, maybe it's just on a normal Saturday afternoon, maybe you just want to get the kids involved and do something fun and creative, and you can do that as a high-octane dad. If you like the video today, please like, please subscribe, please share. I'm trying to build this channel, and once again, my message is that there's many dads out there, there's many fathers out there that want to be present in their family's life, in their kids' life, in their career, and also without neglecting themselves with their fitness and their food and their energy, and you could put it all together. So hopefully today this video served you. I'm Derek Alessi, the High Octane Dad. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Stay tuned.